sleeping, still sleeping on you. You look baddest in your crew, now you look baddest. I don't see how you fit that ass up.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a little bit late. I haven't been recording in the morning because I don't really have that much to do. But I was kind of watching a movie, and then it's gonna be I'm gonna clean the fridge. I'm gonna vacuum the cabinets inside, and then wipe down inside the cabinets on top. And then there's a closet right here in this closet, and then when my kids, they're right there in the living room. When they get out of there, I'm gonna do the dining room and the living room when they're out of the living room, because they're right now they're playing there. So I was cleaning some rags, this rag right here, the rag, and that's already cleaning by hand. But now I'm gonna go to the kitchen and clean the fridge and clean vacuum the cabinets and do a little bit cleaning, not much cleaning because I really did my room, the kitchen I already cleaned yesterday, and this bathroom I did it, but my phone died, so I couldn't finish it. Okay, and I haven't been like vlogging in the morning because like I have my kids, so it's like I don't really go anywhere or do nothing. I just sometimes take them to the car door, take them home if I have to do something. Like tomorrow I have to go pay a bill, and that's about it. But yeah, so join me today cleaning the refrigerator and cleaning the bathroom. I'm gonna go start with the fridge today, do like the cabinet and stuff, and then after that come to the closet because it's not that much. It's just this mini closet right here. So join me today. I'm gonna stick a couple music on.
What the hell?
Hey, don't say that.
Okay, next building.
It's not like you don't have to yell, please.
Okay, next building.
I say you don't have to yell. I'm vlogging. You don't have to yell. Okay, I'm gonna clean the fridge. Let me.
Okay, now
This
we're
here.
gonna be. Okay, everybody on the rest of the way to the box. Make a box.
So I already cleaned up here. Everything here. Make a box.
Look at ice, cheese. Look at ice. I got it. Hey, got it, Chico. Chico. Yeah, we got it. Look at ice. I got it. Go. What's in this? Chico, go ice on them.
Hey, this is Kevin with Force Customs in Tampa, Florida. Today we're showing you the blind.
Can you give me the towel, please? Oh, come on, please.
Mahirap, tapos. Kaya tabi niya ang cellphone. We're going to three. Just wait down like this. Well, wait, wait. I'm going to think of 3 later now. Just wait, but it's not that pretty. It's not pretty. I just got this one. Okay, there we go. Water. Can you guys stop doing that, please? That's annoying.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, where did the point, man? There's my mom.
No, you gotta take away first. You gotta take the point away first. Take the point away first.
Yeah, boys.
I'm just gonna wait down a little bit. It's not that.
Ranger offers over 1 million high-quality products, from motors and belts to switches and sensors, helping maintenance engineers keep production lines moving. Call, click, or stop by. Ranger, for the lines. Get it done.
Sorry about that. More than that. Edgar, shut up. Rage is done. Now I'm gonna sweep this part here over here. Edgar, stop it. Edgar, can you stop? Or do you want to go to sleep?
Lisa, how do you do that opening? That opening with the one with the guy.
So you said 10.
Yeah, I said 10. Oh! There you go, shut up! Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Are we not going to be able to go to 10 yet?
I'm gonna just pick up this trash real quick. And I'll get back to you guys when I'm gonna start the closet. Okay, be back.
Okay, now. You said we have to go each other.
Each other, wait, I'm gonna do it right now. So, enjoy me. You can that recording. Everybody home now. I got unlocked the door, please. I got, stop it.